What's up, YouTube? Got some new parts for the Beamer. So let's go over to the bench and see what. Okay, we got two packages. One small, one large package. Some Evotech Performance. So I'm gonna roll this, see what it is, see what's in here. Alright, so as you see, we got it unpacked. Here's the part number for these. It basically takes place of the rear passenger peg after you remove them, so they have empty holes. You can have right there, and you can also use it as a toe to tow with. There's this, something to hook onto. Here's the front frame sliders. This goes like that. This here goes to do it like that on each side. I chose Evotech because I have them on my Street Fighter, and I like the quality of them. So there's the bolts for it. I like how they have it etched in there. If you can focus on it, yeah, that looks pretty cool. So head over to the bike and install them. Remove this bolt here and this frame bolt here. You'll need a T50 Torx. So one done. When you're done with both of these, you can store them away because you ain't gonna need them anymore. These two are the same thread size, but different lengths. This one is a little shorter, so this one goes to here. This mosquito's trying to get me. So this one goes up in here, and the longer one goes down here, like so. SCs on these bolts, because they go into the frame. I don't want them seizing into the frame. I got some of that on there. Okay, so the smaller washer goes up here, and the longer one goes down here. Same thing with the screw. So we're gonna try to get this in here and make sure it fits right. Just gonna hand tighten it first. So these are also T50 bolts, the new ones. This right here is a T55. Both hand tight, so I'm torquing them down. These two bolts, this one and this one down here, gets torqued down to 40 Newton meters, and this one in the middle is 60 Newton meters. Okay, for this side, just repeat the same steps as the brake side. Remove the fairings, choose the same bolts. Sorry, I'm not really descriptive in the bolt size and all that, everything like that, but that's because the directions were kind of vague. So, got that one on there. That's the other side. See how it fits exactly to the frame? So, not really an installation, I'm just showing you little processes, but not a full-on installation. Alright, so let's get these rear passenger peg block-off plates on. Alright, to remove the passenger peg, you'll need a T30 Torx. Okay, as you see, we got it removed. So I'll grab my block-off plate and install those. I'll use some blue Loctite supplied screws are the same size. T30. You can see it's so dark. Alright, so you get to choose which side you want the Evotech to say it on. You want it this way, going up, or you want it going that way. I'm gonna make it go this way, sit here like that. Okay, I'll grab the other screw. Like I said, I got some blue Loctite on it already. Okay. Okay, those are nice and tight. Got the other side in too. Right there. Yes, sir. So, in this video, I'm gonna install these and the block-off plates. They look pretty good. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next one.